Since December 14, 2022, our system ranks BOIL as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.930. In this period the stock has had a loss of -86.25%. This is an average return of -1.84% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for BOIL, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for BOIL ETF price on Wednesday moving between $4.63 and $5.22. The BOIL ETF price gained 10.2% on the last trading day, Wednesday, February 22, 2023, rising from $4.41 to $4.86. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 12.74% from a day low at $4.63 to a day high of $5.22. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -28.42% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 91 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $443.20 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $140.50, and the lowest price was $4.34. Right now the price is 96.54%, or $135.64, below 52-week high and 99.34%, or $731.94, below all-time high November 14, 2018 where the price hit $736.80. The ETF lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -80.87% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -100% and -58.92%. The 12-month trend indicates a -45.07% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -100% and 838.29%. This equals a price between $0 and $45.60 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for BOIL. There are mixed signals in the ETF today. The BOIL ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $5.55 and $8.64. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, February 21, 2023, and so far it has risen 10.2%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 280 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see. Short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 112 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 110 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for BOIL. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.41. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $1 may give a huge drop in the ETF price. This ETF may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $0.590 between high and low, or 12.74%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 9.72%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, BOIL meets first resistance at $5.12. If you do not hold BOIL shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, BOIL finds first level of support at $4.41, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is BOIL ETF a buy? BOIL holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 23rd, we expect BOIL to open up $0.0433 and start trading at $4.90. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember